Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to navigate you on how you handle 𝗟𝗓𝗡 TV site, what you do in 𝗟𝗓𝗡 TV site, what are the features you do in 𝗟𝗓𝗡 TV site. As you can see here, we have the login page. So I'm going to go with the fastest login, which is sign up with Google. Currently 𝗟𝗓𝗡 TV site is having OTP verification temporarily unavailable. So if you are signing in onto the site, you're going to sign on with Google. So once you sign on with Google, it brings you to the main page where it displays lists of channels, live channels for free. So I'm going to take you gradually. First up, we are heading to the profile page. The profile page is like a social media account where it shows you followers. People can follow you, you can follow others, you can like, comment, post, and reshare like a normal social media account. The next page where we are going to head to is the tools menu. Now in this tools menu, you have the search feature where you can search for usernames. And you see usernames. Where you can search for usernames and you see usernames. The next feature is all tools. Now all tools are up to 70 different type of tools where users can get quick access to all implementations. They get quick access to all implementations, like we have IP address lookup, we have secure patch hash, we have JWT decoder, we have JavaScript authenticator, we have binary text converter. There are up to 75 free tools you can use on 𝗟𝗡𝗡 TV. You have QR code scanner and so on and so forth. Then we go to the next page, the next section of the page, which is the settings. The settings consist of 4 subcategories, which are the API, deployment, account, and admin. So we're starting from the first, which is the API. An API is a programming interface that lets other programs communicate with each other. We have live TV API. We have live TV API for free channels. For developers who have projects use this API very well and they will understand what I'm talking about. We have developer API. Now this developer API is a subsection of 2 different things like music downloader, to download music, to download videos, to download Facebook videos without watermark, to download TikTok videos without watermark, to download Instagram videos without watermark. We have other subcategories of the developer API, which are AI or OCR is a tool, an API tool that allows users to extract text from an image or an video. We have image analysis to analyze an image. We have AI video generation and so on and so forth. Now that's for the developer API. We now head to the second subcategory under the settings, which is the deploy bots. This deploy bot is mainly for verified users to be able to deploy the WhatsApp bot automatically into their accounts without much configurations or without using render. In my previous video, as I made how to deploy WhatsApp bots using render. The third category is the account section. Now in this account section, you will see where users info are being stored, which is the profile, the full name, username, other username, email address, the password, passkeys, face scan. Yes, you can verify and you can set up your login authentication using a face recognition scan. You have a face scan and so on and so forth. The next subcategory under the account section is the details where users see for revenue. Now let me explain. Revenue is where you earn to make money for free on 𝗟𝗡𝗡 TV. So as you can see, we have wallet balance to show the total amount of money you have for you to be able to withdraw. Users can withdraw every day for free on 𝗟𝗡𝗡 TV. You buy coins, you request for coins. Coins can be used to increase your API, either a developer API or your live TV API, to give you more access or more long lifetime access to those APIs at cheaper rates if you don't want to subscribe to the package, the API package. So you have the buy coins, you have a position where you set your card for withdrawals. Without setting your card on 𝗟𝗡𝗡 TV site, you won't be able to process your withdrawals smoothly. And you have your withdrawal history where it shows you the list of withdrawals you have done in 𝗟𝗡𝗡 TV site. And of course, you have the customer care support where you can make appeal or make requests, or if something goes wrong on your account, or for more information or more verifications, you contact us using the customer care support. So that is all on the tutorial on how to navigate 𝗟𝗡𝗡 TV website. I hope you learned something.